Now back to our breaking news. More people have been found dead in Southern California. Wildfires rage there for a third day. The majority of them are uncontained. And this afternoon, a new wildfire erupted, and it's threatening even more homes.
Yeah, and WGN's Jenna Barnes is here now with the very latest, including an update that officials gave today.
A staggering update, guys, that we now know 10,000 homes, businesses, even some schools and places of worship have burned in these ongoing fires. Authorities say 7 people are now confirmed dead. They fear that number will rise. Firefighters are now working to stop a new fire.
Los Angeles' newest fire northwest of the city, exploding to 800 acres in just a few short hours. More residents forced to evacuate, as officials warn even after 2 days of catastrophe, the risk remains high.
If you're told to evacuate, then get the hell out. You might think you can outrun a fire. You are not going to outrun these fires.
That we're absolutely not out of this extreme weather event.
An event that's already brought historic devastation to LA. The Palisades fire west of the city has burned 20,000 acres. Photos from the sky show entire neighborhoods flattened in the Pacific Palisades community. And officials now confirm 2 people died in this fire that remains uncontained tonight. At least 5 others died in the uncontained Eaton fire, east of the city of Los Angeles, which has leveled communities in Pasadena and Altadena. Sherry Shaw's brother was killed as families tried to evacuate ahead of the fast-moving flames.
When I went back in and yelled out his name, he didn't reply back, and I had to get out because the embers were so big and flying like a firestorm that I had to save myself.
President Joe Biden pledging the federal government will cover the entire cost of the disaster response, from first responder pay to temporary shelters for the thousands who've had to flee for the next 6 months, acknowledging the recovery will take quite some time.
You're living through a nightmare, I know. And I promise you, we're going to help you get through this.
Even those who are safe are unsettled.
There's a lot of anxiety in Los Angeles right now.
St. Charles native and star of the show The Bear, Chris Petoskey, talked with us from his home in LA. He captured images of the dark sky that's become impossible to avoid.
Everywhere you look out here, you just see this like hazy smoke in the sky. And now the whole city truly smells like a campfire right now. And there's like little ash particles, raining down from the sky. So I've got my N95 mask here for walking the dog.
That air quality issue is one reason LA schools will remain closed tomorrow. This is still an active and fluid investigation and firefight. The winds are expected to pick back up tonight into tomorrow, and they're already looking at another potential wind event next week.
So many more days of this disaster lie ahead.
Quite possible.
Jenna, thank you.